also have fresh produce. They start off with a beet gazpacho. It's a really cool spot. It's like owned by a Californian family that moved here in 1991. Service is a little slow, but they're super busy. We got a bottle of Moët. It's only $120 plus 16% gratuity. I think at Marquise we paid $180 for the same bottle. Cheese pizza with an egg on top of it.
Rosemary too.
Oh, sorry, rosemary as well.
And mozzarella cheese.
Ooh, this looks so yummy. It's so warm. It's like fresh out of the oven. Yummy. Oh, it looks hot. Yeah. So this is the half chicken. Has potatoes. This was one of the only restaurants that did not charge a added 15% service charge, maybe because they're American owned and they know that they have to provide good service. Anyway, my restaurant review category rating for this place was the location was a 3. The reason why I say this is because we weren't staying there, and so a lot of Uber and taxi drivers do not like to come up here because the road to get there is about it's like about 10 minutes of just like dirt road, and it damages their car, and it's also hard to get a ride back from there. That's one of the reasons why I wouldn't recommend going there if you're not staying there. But the service was really slow, and most likely because it was really, really busy in there. The knowledge of food and drinks was excellent. The quality was excellent too. I really liked the food. It was always hot and fresh. The overall value was a 7, just because I feel like it was a little bit overpriced. But then again, we have been to other places which are more expensive, so we did appreciate that this wasn't as pricey as we thought it was going to be. Our overall rating for this place was 78%. All right, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.